Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today we're going to take a look at the Google Pixel 5a from Google. Last year's Pixel 4a did really well for them, so this is the next rendition. This is the Google Pixel 5a 5G. So let's start the video. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Pow. Alright guys, so here we have the Google Pixel 5a. I did actually get this a few days ago, but I was on vacation, so here's my content, and I'm going to let you guys know exactly what I think about it. There has been some controversy about the phone so far, but the phone has not been released to the public, so I will not address that as of yet. I do see the box over here, Google, and you do have 5G on their side right there. I do have my Pixel 5 as well. Really great device, but I felt like it was a little bit smaller, so I know that a lot of people are waiting for the Pixel 6 and for the Pixel 6 Pro, so this is just to warm you guys up, and it does come at a price point of $450. Let's see what it says in the back. It comes with the 5A, it comes with an 18-watt Type-C power adapter, charging cable, and a quick switch adapter. Pixel 5A 5G sub 6, 6.34 inches, 128 gigabytes of internal storage, mostly black, and the model number is G1F8F. Now, I did notice that this phone is coming to Japan and to the US, so I haven't really seen no type of release date for the other countries. Now, a lot of people have been saying that this looks kind of green. I think it looks more charcoal. I will have to up the brightness just a little bit for this video. Alright, so you guys let me know what you guys think about the color. But the first glance is that it does seem like it's a little bit taller than the 5, which is an absolute plus for me. So let's just put that to the side. Let's see what you get in the box here. So you have your quick start guide, of course. You have your Type-C adapter, and you should have your Type-C to Type-C wall plug as well, and you do have your quick switch. So if you have an iPhone or if you have another device, you could do it manually, or you could use the feature that actually comes with the Pixel, which is super fast. And you do have your SIM ejection tool as well. So let's just put that to the side. Alright, so here we go guys, the Pixel 5a. Now this does have a 1080p display. Right, okay, so first thing I could say is I definitely like how tall it is now. It's definitely different, and it doesn't have that same material as last year with the Pixel 5. The Pixel 5 was a little bit, let me bring down that brightness. So the Pixel 5 had like a weird soft material that was kind of recyclable feeling to it. This one is definitely matte, so it is a little bit different. It does have a textured button as well. Looks really different than the Pixel 5. A lot of people have been saying that these are the same device, but as far as the aesthetics, it's definitely taller. It has a different power button. Definitely nice. Let's see how the volume rocker. Okay, so this is the volume rocker here. Alright. The one on the Pixel 5 seems a little bit more clickier. This one seems a little bit different, but it is tactile. There's your camera hump if you guys are curious about the camera hump. How's that look? Bottom speakers, no headphone jack, of course. Oh, I mean, no headphone jack on the bottom. It looks like you have one on top. You didn't get one on the Pixel 5, so this is definitely a plus. If you guys like the headphone jack, then you're definitely going to get this with the Pixel 5a. I'm trying to see, how does it look green? I guess if it was really bright in here, then you could probably say that it's green. But definitely nice placement. I definitely would have liked the power button here. How's the fast boot mode? Okay, so let's just power this baby on, because it almost powered on fast boot mode. Definitely reminds me of the 4A for sure. It doesn't have that soft back material that it will on the Pixel 5. But here we go. Here's the boot up screen, guys. So if you guys need a rundown of the specs, I will have that in the description as well. You could get this unlocked for $450. And if you guys are waiting for a more premium device, maybe better specs when it comes to the processor and all that stuff, you should get a great camera on here. And I'm definitely looking forward to testing this out. Wanted to see how the bezels look on the side. You have your little hole punch on the top there. You have your SIM tray on the bottom left. And that's about it. I definitely like the feel of it. I really like the fact that it's bigger than the 5A. Alright, so here you go, guys. The Pixel 5A. Let me know what you guys think about it. Overall, I definitely like the feel of it. Matte, and I will have some case reviews as well. Do have a little bit of a camera hump too, but I'm definitely looking forward to the Pixel 6 and to the Pixel 6 Pro, because that design looks way better than the old design that they're currently doing on the 5A and on the 5. Very similar styles, but this will definitely do when it comes to that camera. This can record in 4K 60 as well. I have been hearing some things on the internet about that option, so hopefully it will be fixed by the time you guys get the phone, but I'm definitely looking forward to checking it out. So if you guys like this video, hit it with a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of the Pixel 5A and more tech to come. I just wanted to show something real fast. If you guys are looking for a phone around that same price point, this is the TCL 20 Pro 5G. This one is $500. This one is $450. I do have the OnePlus 8T, and I also do have the OnePlus 8T as well for comparison. So it is a little bit smaller, as you guys can see. So if you guys like this video, hit it with a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of the Pixel 5A and more Pixels to come. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.